Alright, so this is day one of me recording something every day. To be honest, I don't have no plans and I don't know how this will go. I just felt like I should start showing up like this more often. So I've been posting content every day for almost a month now. Most of it went nowhere. Like I did not got any crazy growth, nothing went viral. I barely got any likes, shares, subscribes, whatever you can say on that front. And most people just scroll past my content. But me being me, kept posting. And not because I have everything figured out, but it's just that like something in me does not want to quit and it does not want to stay silent. I know it feels weird, like you keep showing up online day in and day out, even when it feels pointless, even when you wonder like whether anyone's watching or not, but you still do it. Guys, I even don't know what I'll talk about tomorrow. But if nothing, at least Mastan can say, Bhai, I still showed up. That's all. And I believe that's what matters, right? So yeah, this was me, Ali Mastan, on day one of still showing up.